Hey guys, day 5 today. It was awesome. We got to see 3 different waterfalls and the walking was really easy. We're at the turn off for Dalton Falls and Ferguson Falls. It's just starting to come into view now and it looks amazing. Spectacular. I can't get far enough away to get a good photo. We were going to stay in the hut, but it ended up being not a bad night, so we just camped out for the night. Actually, during the night there was this possum that kept trying to get in my tent and like shining a light on him and he wouldn't go away, so I was like yelling at him and he wouldn't go away. In the end he had his nose right up to the tent and like, this far away from my face, and so he had his nose right up there and I just went poof, and he ran away. Didn't see him again. I only tapped him on the nose, but he wouldn't go away otherwise. What else could I do? So yeah, got up in the morning, had some brekkie, and then yeah, headed off. Went to see a couple of cool waterfalls, got some great footage of them, took some awesome pictures, then kept going. Went over our last hill for the walk. So from here on in, it's downward. Hopefully tomorrow will be our last day. We're going to try to catch a ferry tomorrow afternoon. If not, I'm going to have to start walking around the lake until I can get some mobile reception to let my wife know I'm not dead. But yeah, we'll hopefully catch the ferry tomorrow afternoon, stay a night maybe in a cabin or something when we get over there, and then head back to Hobart. But now it's dinner time. Do you reckon we can eat these? Nah, I'm not gonna. See you tomorrow.